A smartphone has several fundamental components that power its functionality, performance, and overall user experience. The display or screen is the main screen on which information appears, through which the user interacts with the device and operates various applications. Battery powers the device, needs regular charging, and its capacity indicates how long the device will run. The processor is the brain of the device, which determines overall performance and operating speed. RAM, or random access memory, enables smoother multitasking without app lag. Storage is the capacity to store apps, photos, videos, and documents. Common sizes include 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes. Camera is the optical sensor for photos and videos. It is commonly found on both front and back. SIM card slot houses the subscriber identity module card, enabling calls, SMS, and mobile data connectivity. The speaker outputs audio, while the microphone captures your voice for calls and recordings. The charging port is meant for charging or data transfer, and physical power and volume buttons are also present on a smartphone.